The fasting rules of Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is the magnificent occasion for the followers of Lord Shiva to praise the god and seek his blessings. In fact, for the devotees of Lord Shiva, nothing is more important than fasting on Mahashivratri when it comes to showing their honor and love to the deity. How to fast? On the festival, people observe a stringent fast when they would not consume anything other than the diet formulated especially for the occasion. It is said that if a devotee observes fast on Mahashivratri with sincerity, pure devotion and love, he or she would be blessed with the divine grace of Lord Shiva. Here is some more interesting information about Mahashivratri Vrat. Mahashivratri Vrat significance. Celebration of Vrat on Mahashivratri helps one to achieve power over the two great forces that afflict man, Rajas Guna, the quality of passionate activity, and Tamas Guna, the quality of ignorance. Fasting during Shivratri. When the devotee observes a fast with discipline and spends the entire day at the feet of Lord Shiva, his or her mind is controlled. Moreover, evils like lust, anger and greed are subdued, thereby acquiring control over Rajas Guna. When he or she wakes vigil throughout the night of Mahashivratri, he or she develops the ability to conquer the evils of Tamas Guna too. Therefore, Mahashivratri Vrat is significant. Fasting rules. Traditionally, people who observe fast on Mahashivratri would take bath early in the morning with warm water and black sesame seeds. However, nowadays, people prefer to take a hot water shower in the morning. Bathing during Shivratri. By bathing, it is believed that the bodily impurities are washed away. After wearing new laundered clothes, the devotees would visit the nearest Lord Shiva temple to worship the deity. The ritual of bathing Shivalinga with milk and honey takes place in temples of the deity on the festival. Temple Puja during Shivratri. While in the temple, the devotees would sing devotional songs and bhajans to invoke Lord Shiva. All through the day and night during the festival, they would indulge in chanting of 3 words, Om Namah Shivaya. Food for Mahashivratri Vrat. A diet is followed by the devotees of Lord Shiva on Mahashivratri. On the day, they would abstain from food made with rice, pulses or wheat. However, the devotees may eat fruits and drink tea, milk or coffee during the fast if they have not observed Nirahar Vrat, that is, fast without the consumption of any form of food stuff. All about Shivratri Puja. In the evening, after performing puja, they would break the fast by eating rotis made of singhade ka atta, kuttu ka atta and sabudana kheer, dessert made of sego. Senda namak, rock salt, is used to cook food for the fast. To offer the deity, people would prepare dishes such as potato pumpkin pancakes, lauki ka halwa, sweet dish made of bottle gourd, thandai, etc. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.